Hello friends, I'm Priti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. So I live in India and March hasn't yet ended, but summers have already arrived. Needless to say, we go through a lot of heat stress during this season, such as headaches, loss of water from the body, dizziness and uneasiness in everything we do. So this summer, let's embrace the mocktails. Packed with fresh fruits and other nutritious ingredients, these summer drinks are so refreshing and you would so want to try these. So without talking much, let's get into action. To make the green apple iced tea, we'll require 1 tablespoon lemongrass or lemon green tea, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 5 to 6 mint leaves, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 tablespoons sugar or honey, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 200 ml of apple juice, ice cubes and Sprite. First we'll take 3/4 cup of water and add lemongrass, ginger, mint leaves, cinnamon stick and boil them for 1 minute. Now we'll let it cool to room temperature and strain. Now add ice, sugar, lemon juice and apple juice to it and give it a good stir. Now for serving, we'll take glass, add some ice, lemon slice, mint leaves and pour the drink into it. Now add any lemon drink like Sprite or 7-Up if you wish to, and a green apple iced tea is ready. To make this drink, we'll require orange juice, lemon pieces, mint leaves, regular salt, black salt, ice cubes and Sprite. First we'll add lemon slices, mint leaves, black salt and a pinch of regular salt and crush all these ingredients together. Now we'll take out the crushed ingredients and add orange juice to it. Now we are ready to pour it in the glass. First we'll add some ice cubes and the drink and little bit of Sprite for that fizz. And our citrus sunshine is ready. Well, our cool, refreshing, slushy, citrusy and the most important non-alcoholic drink recipes are the perfect way to beat the heat this summer. So try them for sure and give your reviews in the comment section below. See you guys next week. Till then, stay cool, stay fresh and do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.